So today we are going to revise the poem The Kite. Write down the name of the poem, The Kite, and poet name is Harry Ben. So first we'll read the poem and we'll understand the poem. Then we will discuss the question answers related to it. How bright on the blue is the kite when it's blue? Okay, the kite looks very beautiful and very bright. It's very good in color when it's new. When we are having new things, like we are having new clothes, they are looking very beautiful. But as the time passes away, they get faded away when we will wash them again and again. In the same way, the kite also gets faded away in the sunlight. Okay. With a dive and a dip, it snaps its tail. When we are flying the kite, we just dive and dip first, then we'll move its tail will move, then we just fly the kite, then soars like a ship, then it sails like a ship. Here the poet has compared the kite with a ship with only a sail. When the wind is there, then it is able to fly. Same way the ship is sailing in the sea. As over tides of wind it rides, climbs to the crest of a gust and pulls, then seems to rest as wind falls. So what happens? It is flying in the sky as the ship is sailing on the sea. But when the wind stops, then the kite also comes to rest. When string goes loose, you wind it back. What happened? You just wind it back, all the string, and run until a new breeze blows. And you wait for the new breeze blows so that you can fly the kite again. And its wings fill and up it goes. Then it is flying in the direction of the wind. How bright on the blue is the kite when it's new? So again, the poet is saying the same thing. When the kite is new, it looks very beautiful. But a regular thing you never will see when it flaps on a string. But what happened when threads get broken and it stuck on a tree and it becomes faded as it was flying in the sunlight, its color has been changed. So it looks very ugly now when it stuck on the tree. But when it is new, it's bright, it is looking very beautiful. When it gets faded in the sunlight and got stuck in the tree, it looks very ugly. Okay, so this is the poem. Ragged means torn or tattered. Now we are going to write the questions. Okay, first question: name the poem and its poet.
मैडम आप क्या करवा रहे हो?
Name the poem. I am revising the poem. I am revising the
मैम ये
poem.
नोटबुक
The kite.
मैम ये नोटबुक में
Yes, you have to write everything in your notebook. Revision. The kite poem. Okay, you are going to write the revision because we have done this poem. So I want you to. I
मैम
want you to
फर्स्ट
write
क्वेश्चन
the poem with you. Write down the first question. Name the poem and its poet. Name the poem and its poet. Very good, Khushi. The name of the poem is The Kite and poet name is Harry Ben. Name the poem and its poet.
मैम वी हैव टू राइट दिस आउट
Yes, you will write all the questions which I am writing in the chat and answers by yourself. Name the poem and its poet. Write down first question. Name the poem and its poet. Now we are taking the paragraph how dash 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 sail. Okay, up to this much we are taking. So I'm making next question from it. Give rhyming words and rhyming scheme. Give rhyming words and rhyming scheme. You can write in chat better. Give rhyming words and rhyming scheme of this paragraph. Can you tell me what are the rhyming words in chat? Rhyming scheme of this paragraph, of this stanza, you can say, of this stanza. Give rhyming words and rhyming scheme of this stanza. Can anyone tell me in chat? Can anyone tell me in chat? Sorry, you can unmute yourself and tell me rhyming words. Sorry, unmute yourself, beta.
मैम कैट एंड रेस्ट मैम AABC
Beta, rhyming
A
words.
B
First,
C
let me know
D
the
C
rhyming words. Let me know the rhyming words.
ओके
Tell me the rhyming words.
Ma'am, rhyming words are blue,
Very good.
new, dip, and crest and rest. Rest,
Very good.
see,
Blue, new, dip, ship, tail, sail. So these are the rhyming words. Okay. So now the rhyming scheme is Aryan Sharma. Can you tell me the rhyming scheme? Unmute yourself.
Ma'am, can I Prapti?
Aryan will tell me the rhyming scheme. Aryan, unmute yourself. Aryan, unmute yourself, beta. Okay, Prapti, you tell meanwhile. Prapti, you tell.
Ma'am, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Ma'am, that's.
Prapti, same rhyming words, same alphabets. So you can see rhyming words
Can
blue,
I tell?
new. So it will become AA. Okay.
Ma'am,
Same rhyming words, same alphabets. AA. Then dip, ship, same rhyming words will give same alphabet. BB. Tail, sail will give CC. Okay. So the rhyming words will be AA, BC, BC. And you will write in small letters, not in capital. Okay. We are writing rhyming scheme in small letters, not in capital letters. A, B, C, B, C. It's clear to everyone. Shall I explain again the rhyming scheme? Is it clear to everyone or shall I explain the rhyming scheme?
Ma'am, it is clear.
You can see, beta. You can see here that blue, new. First we have to see the rhyming words. Then we will frame the rhyming scheme. Okay. Whatever the rhyming words are there, we will put them same alphabet and we will start from A. Okay. So blue, new, both are having the same sound. So we have put A. Then dip, we have put B. Then tail is different from dip, so we have put C. Then we have seen that dip, ship are same. So we have given the same alphabet to ship also, dip, ship, B. Okay, sail, C. Like I can give you one example. You have so many color sketch pens, okay, in pairs. Like if you are having two red pens, two blue pens and two green pens. Okay, if I will say you two to separate the blue, red and green. So what you are going to do? You will keep the sketch pen apart, red together, blue together and green together. And if I'll ask you how many red pens you are having, you will tell me two. Blue pen, two. Then green pen, two.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
मैम हाउ सेल इन राइटिंग नोटबुक मैम हाउ सेल पे लिखना है
Yes, you
उसका
have
आंसर नहीं
to write everything. What you have to write? Whatever I am discussing, like I am telling you the question answers that you are going to write in your notebook. Okay?
मैम हाउ सोल का आपने आंसर ही नहीं दिया
How?
हाउ सेल का
Which answer I have not given you?
मैम हाउ सेल
Ma'am, is the paragraph given by you?
How till sale. So we have taken the rhyming words till sale, blue, new, dip, ship, tail, sail. Anything else you want to ask? Tell me, beta. The ship is sailing on the sea with only a sail. Okay? Like the ship is sailing on the sea, the kite is flying in the sky. Beta, now rhyming scheme and rhyming words are clear to you all? Or shall I explain again? Tell me. Now rhyming scheme and rhyming words are clear to you? Like I have given you an example. You are having different sketch colors. Okay. So what you are going to do, you will separate them. You will separate them or not and will keep it in your group. Is it clear? Like you are having two blue pen, two red pen, two green pen. So you will keep them separate, or you will mix red one green. You will not mix in this way. If I told you to separate all the pens according to the groups, okay. Like I can give you one example more. Like in class also, if I'll say girls will sit on one side and boys will sit on one side, so all the girls will sit on one side. So same rhyming words which have similar sound, they are given same alphabets. Okay. So you can see here blue, new, same rhyming sound, AA. Dip, ship, same rhyming sound, BB. Tail, sail, CC. So we will now Give the rhyming scheme A, B, C, B, C. Now it's clear? Now it's clear? Tell me,
Yes,
children.
yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Okay. Find adjective. Now tell me adjective. Find adjectives. Find adjectives. Adjectives are the words which describe noun, which tells us more about noun. Like, if I can take example of Saurabhi. Saurabhi is a beautiful girl. So I am describing Saurabhi as a beautiful girl. So beautiful is adjective. Okay, Anushka is a smart girl. So again I am describing Anushka is a smart girl. Here the poet has described. Okay, Arav. Okay, no problem. No problem, beta. Okay, now you can tell me what are the adjectives used for kite.
Ma'am, bright. Ma'am, bright.
Right, very good. Very good.
Blue.
Bright, blue, new. Very good. So these are the adjectives which are we have used for kite. Write down. Write adjectives or give adjectives. Give adjectives.
Ma'am,
Bright, blue, new. Very good. Now you're able to write, children. Give adjectives. Give adjectives.
your voice is correct.
Give adjectives. Give adjectives. Blue, new, and bright. Adjectives are blue, new, bright. Give homophones. Give homophones. Can you tell me what are homophones here? We have already done. Can you tell me what are homophones here? Move on the first line. How bright on the blue. What is the homophone here? How bright on the blue. Can you tell me, Vita? Come on, children,
Ma'am,
fast.
uh, br-
Yes,
on off, bright, dark, up, down.
very good. On. Then new. What is the homophone of new? What is the homophone of new? Can anyone tell me any W and what is the homophone of new?
Ma'am, blue.
Speak the spelling.
Ma'am, blue. Ma'am, blue.
Knew. Okay. Then tail. Tail. What is the other homophone of tail? Homophones have same sound, different spellings. Okay. Tail, 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 tail.
Ma'am, blue, new.
And end.
Ma'am, sail, sail.
Yes. Sail, sail. Very good. Sail. Sail, sail. Who is it here? Tell me. Who is it here?
It is kite here.
Very good. Who is it here? It is kite here. Who is it here? It is kite here. Who is it here? It is kite here. To whom the poet has compared the kite with? To whom the poet has compared the kite with?
Ship.
Ship.
Very good. Has compared with. To whom the poet has compared the kite with? The poet has compared the kite with a ship. To whom the poet has compared the kite with? Has compared the kite with. To whom the poet has compared the kite with? The poet has compared the kite with a ship. Okay.
Ship.
Find.
And the poet has compared kite with ship.
Yes. Find possessive adjective. Find possessive adjective.
Ma'am, question number 5 is
It,
who is it here?
and
Yes.
it is the possessive adjective.
Possessive adjective. When possessive words, which
And
belong to us, accompanies the noun, then it is possessive adjective. Like this is my house. Okay. So possessive word here is my, and house is noun. You can see here that if it is accompanies the noun, it is possessive adjective. So you can see here, its tail. Okay, so tail is belonging to him. So its tail is possessive adjective because it's accompanies the noun tail. So it is possessive adjective here. So you will write possessive adjective here is its tail. Its tail. Its tail. Possessive adjective. Okay. Its tail. Give antonyms. Give antonyms. Bright. What is the antonym of bright? Tell me, children. Bright.
Night.
No. Bright. Dull. Bright. Dull. New. I think it's very easy. You can tell me. New.
Old.
Any other you can use for new? Old. Okay. New, old. Then like. Can you tell me the antonym of like?
Heavy.
Like, beta. Like.
Dislike.
Dislike. Very good. Like, dislike. Okay. Now we are going to take the next paragraph. As over tides. As over tides. Falls. Give the name the poem and its poet. First question. Name the poem and its poet. Name the poem and its poet. Its poet. Name the poem and its poet. Tell me the name of the poem and its poet.
And the name of the poem is
Yes,
the
ma'am,
kite and
its poet name is Harry Ben.
Very good. The name of the poem is The Kite and its name is Harry Ben. Very good. Now you people are going to memorize it easily. This I want, children, that you should learn it thoroughly by your heart. Okay, so everything should be learnt and understood by you. Give rhyming scheme and rhyming words. Rhyming scheme and rhyming words of this stanza. And rhyming words of this stanza. Tell me, children. Give rhyming scheme and rhyming words of this stanza. What are the rhyming words of these lines? As over tides of wind it rides, climbs to the crest of a gust and pulls, then seems to rest.
Blue new.
Better next paragraph, second paragraph. We are on second paragraph. Very good. Very good.
Tides right. Crest. Falls.
Very good.
Ma'am, blue.
Tides. Very good.
Ma'am, you write in the chat write rhyming words and rhyming speech, but ma'am, you not write the rhyming words in chat.
I'm writing, beta. I'm discussing, then I'm going to write. Tides, rides. Because we are taking revision, that's why I'm asking you. Then I'm going to write. Tides, rides, crest, rest, falls, pulls. So what is the rhyming scheme now? Rhyming scheme now. What is the rhyming scheme? Tell me, children. Rhyming scheme. Arav, we are doing second stanza, beta.
A B C B C.
Very good. B C is the rhyming scheme. B C is the rhyming scheme. B C is the rhyming scheme. Now give antonyms. Give antonyms. Give antonyms. Give antonyms. Over. Over. What is the antonym of over? Tell me.
Start and down.
Yes. Over. What is the antonym of over? Can anyone tell
And
me?
down.
Under. Over is under. Okay. Full. Can you tell me the antonym of full? Can anyone
Ma'am,
tell me
full
the
empty.
antonym of full? Full.
And push.
Very good. Pull, push. Pull, push. Fall. Fall.
And fill.
Fall. Fall means girna, beta. Rise.
Fly.
Rise. Fall. Rise. Give homophones. Give homophones.
Ma'am, in first paragraph there is no rhyming words in chat.
We have discussed rhyming words, beta, in first paragraph on OWN, new, NEW, KNEW. We have discussed. And, ANG, END, tail, TAIL, TLE, sail, SAIL, SALE.
Ma'am, the voice is breaking.
Okay, my voice is breaking. Now, am I audible, children? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we have discussed homophones blue, BLUE, BLEW. Okay. New, NEW, KNEW. And AND, END. Tail, TAIL, TALE. Then sail, SAIL, SALE. Okay. Now we are discussing the homophones of second paragraph. As. Can you tell me what is the homophone of as?
Ma'am,
AS, AS,
M and A double S.
Very good. AS, ASS. Okay. TO. Can you give other homophones of TO? TO.
Ma'am, TWO and ma'am TWO.
Very good.
TW.
TWO and TWO. Okay. Off. Can you tell me the other homophone of off?
Ma'am
Okay.
of ma'am O double F.
Very good. OFF. Okay. Completed, children. Then I'm going to ask you more. Okay. Done, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't annotate, beta. Ishita Rawat, don't annotate. Then, next is the then, homophone of then. THEN. THEN.
N.
Then.
THAN. Okay, then, than. THEN. Clear? Give antonym. We have done over under. Okay. Okay, fine. Give other forms of verbs. Give other forms of verbs. Give other forms of verbs. Climb. Climb. Can you tell me other form of verb? Climb.
Climbed.
Very good. Climb. Climbed. Climbed. Climb. Climbed. Climbed. Pull. Pull. Tell me.
Pulled.
M pulled and M pull.
Very good. Pull, pulled. Okay. Run.
M ran.
Very good. Run, ran. Go.
Go and go.
Wait, Peter, wait. We will not take it from here. Rest. Seem. Seemed. Seemed. Okay. Fall.
Fallen.
Very good. Fall, fallen. Fall, fallen.
पकड़ के ले जाऊं ना मैं
Fall, fallen. Fall, fallen.